What metabolic pathways are involved in getting our body into ketosis? What is the most effective type of ketogenic diet for athletic performance? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on the ketogenic diet for fat loss and athletic performance. This course is presented by Dr. Patrick Owen, who is a Canadian accredited practicing dietitian and certified fitness trainer. Patrick shares his deep knowledge of ketogenic diets from starvation adaptations in the Paleolithic times through to modern implementations for fat-adapted athletes seeking to unlock greater endurance. He presents the latest research evidence and meal plans for different types of ketogenic diets for fat loss and athletic performance. This course is approved by the Commission on Dietetic Registration as 2.5 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple-choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Learn from the best. Click on the link to get started now.